English communication.
Hi everyone. Welcome back.
Today, we learn English through easy conversations.
We have 4 short dialogues about daily life. Listen, repeat, and learn new words with us.
Stay till the end. We'll review key vocabulary and meanings to help you speak better English. Let's begin.
Conversation number 1. Asking for directions. Hello. Excuse me.
Hi there.
I'm new here.
Oh, welcome to our town.
Thank you. Can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the train station.
The train station? Yes, I can help.
Where is it?
Go straight down this road.
Okay.
Then turn left at the traffic light.
Is it far from here?
No, it's very close.
Can I walk there?
Yes, it's only 5 minutes on foot.
That's good. Is it easy to find?
Yes, very easy.
Is there a sign?
Yes, a big blue sign that says train station.
Is it near anything?
Yes, it's next to the post office.
Oh, I saw the post office earlier.
Then you're almost there.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Conversation number 2. Meeting in the park. Hi there.
Hello.
Nice day, isn't it?
Yes, very sunny and calm.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I walk here every evening. You?
It's my first time here.
Welcome. This park is great.
Are you from this city?
Yes, born and raised. You?
I moved here last month.
Do you like it so far?
Yes, it's clean and quiet.
That's true. Many people love it here.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, I work at the bank.
I work at a clothing store.
Oh, that sounds fun. Do you like fashion?
Yes, I love it. It's my passion.
That's great to hear.
Do you always walk alone?
Sometimes. Sometimes with friends.
Do you want to walk together today?
Sure. Let's go then.
Thanks. I'd love to. Conversation number 3. At a restaurant. Hello. Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you. Table for 1, please.
Of course. Please sit here by the window.
That's perfect. Thanks.
Here is the menu. Take your time.
I'm ready to order.
Great. What would you like?
I'll have a chicken burger, small fries, and a bottle of water.
Would you like your burger spicy or not spicy?
Not spicy, please.
All right. Would you like ketchup or any sauce?
Just ketchup, please.
Got it. Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Okay. Your food will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Thank you.
After 10 minutes. Here's your food. 1 chicken burger, small fries, and water.
Thank you. It looks very tasty.
I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you need anything.
Sure, I will.
Is everything okay with the food?
Yes, it's really good.
That's great to hear. Would you like to try a dessert?
What desserts do you have?
We have ice cream, cake, and fresh fruit.
I'll have 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, please.
Coming right up. Later. Here is your ice cream. Enjoy.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Would you like the bill now?
Yes, please.
Your total is $12.
Here is $15. Please keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Conversation number 4. At a supermarket.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes. Where is the milk?
It's in aisle 3.
And the eggs?
They are next to the milk.
Do you have fresh bread?
Yes, it's in aisle 2.
Where can I find sugar?
Aisle 5, on the top shelf.
I also need some rice.
You'll find rice in aisle 4.
Do you have bottled water?
Yes, small and large bottles in the fridge section.
Great. What about apples?
Apples are in the fruit section near the front.
Do you sell cheese?
Yes, in the dairy section, aisle 6.
Thank you. I'm ready to pay.
Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Would you like a shopping bag?
Yes, please. 1 bag.
Do you have a loyalty card?
No, I don't.
Would you like to get one?
Maybe next time.
Okay, cash or card?
I'll pay with cash.
Here's your change and your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.